Innovative Kids channel.
Dear kids, teachers, and parents, welcome to Innovative Kids channel. In this video, we will cover basic 100 sentences in English for beginners. These 100 sentences are essential for beginners to understand English, guiding daily activities from morning to night. Enjoy learning!
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
The milk is cold.
The milk is cold.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I wear my clothes.
I wear my clothes.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I go to school.
I go to school.
The bus is here.
The bus is here.
I sit with my friends.
I sit with my friends.
We talk a lot.
We talk a lot.
The bell rings.
The bell rings.
I go to class.
I go to class.
The teacher is kind.
The teacher is kind.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
I ask a question.
I ask a question.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
The playground is fun.
The playground is fun.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I read a story.
I read a story.
I go home.
I go home.
I see my mom.
I see my mom.
I hug my dad.
I hug my dad.
I eat a snack.
I eat a snack.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I help with dinner.
I help with dinner.
We set the table.
We set the table.
We eat together.
We eat together.
I talk to my family.
I talk to my family.
We laugh a lot.
We laugh a lot.
I help clean up.
I help clean up.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I wear my pajamas.
I wear my pajamas.
I read a bedtime story.
I read a bedtime story.
I hug my mom.
I hug my mom.
I hug my dad.
I hug my dad.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I dream sweet dreams.
I dream sweet dreams.
The moon is bright.
The moon is bright.
The stars twinkle.
The stars twinkle.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.